I'm back. I don't know why it happens with me always, but it's like whenever I start something, I start always something when I'm already very occupied. So yes, you guess it's right. So this is the first video explaining my problem which may relate to yours. And here I am. Maybe I can find a solution too. So let's find it together. So what's the issue? Issue is that right now I am in the closing activities, which is a very hectic month for me to go for in the office. But I decided that I'll start this stint of mine right now, right here when I'm very occupied. So this is can be the great example to explain that how the problem is, and then the great example to show that how to find a solution. So right now, what is the problem? Problem is that I'm too busy with my office work and I will not get any time for updating anything soon. And of course, not learning CFA and Python, which is in my hit list this year in 2023. So what I'm going to do is that solution is that I have to manage time. For managing time, I need to understand my things on my work and I have to plan it. If I'm able to plan my work very fine, then of course I can act on it very faster than expected, and I can complete those tasks on time so that I can save some of my time for my learnings, right? So how will you, the question comes, how will you plan things? So right now I have found a very good software recently launched by Apple, right, which help you in actually making a mind map, or you say, as they say, board to plan your work, which is a great tool to use. So I have just done something on that Freeform app of Apple on my iPad, and I would like to show you all. It may help you. Here it is.
This is the Freeform app, and this is a kind of a mind map which I have made on the board. So simple that you have to take a board and then you can create a mind map like this. This is a great way of keeping a track on your follow-ups, design your task, and then do it accordingly. This app is very easy to use. I will recommend you all to try your hands on this. It's a self-explaining. Just start with the board. You will have a blank board on yourself, and then with that board you can create boxes and then connect those boxes very easily by just clipping and dragging, and of course making a copy of it if you want, like this. You can create a copy, right, which is again very easy to drag and place. You can also type here and give it a name, like this. Quite easy.
So as you saw with me, this was an example of using a free form, and I'll keep coming with more such techniques to plan your work so that you can save time and learn with me two other amazing things, CFA and Python. Stay tuned.